Hello everyone, welcome back to Techie Fly channel. Hope you all are doing great. Firstly, thank you so much for choosing this video to learn. And in this video, we're gonna learn how to draw this bottle object in 3D modeling in AutoCAD. So before we're gonna start this video, there is one red color subscribe button. Make sure you all subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for all kind of notifications. So without any further ado, let's get right jump into the video. First take line command L and give distance like 35 mm and then give distance as 3 mm. Later we'll delete that 3 mm length of line. Now take distance as 9 mm. Then press escape to come out of that line command. Adjust your workspace and again take line command L and give distance as 6 mm and then give distance like 15 mm in upward direction. Press escape. Now take fillet command F, give radius as 1.5 mm and select both sides. Then press enter. Adjust your screen. This is most important to draw a perfect lines. So take arc command and I am going with a 3-point arc. Touching the first point on the line, the second point is in between these two lines and the third point is touching the end of the line as shown in the screen. Now take fillet command F and give radius as 11 mm. Select these two parts and then press enter. Now delete that 3 mm length of line. Till now bottle half part is completed. To get a 3D bottle we need to draw a little more. Now take pedit command and select one line. So it's asking like do you want to turn it into one? The answer is yes, cause we need to convert individual lines into a single line. For that select join, then select all individual lines, then press enter. Again press enter. It converted into a single polyline. Now take offset command O, give distance like 0.5 mm, select the object and give direction for the double line. Now take line command with the help of line, close these two lines. Take pedit and select lines, then press enter. Now take revolve command REV. Then select object to revolve and then specify the axis starting point and ending point. Give 360 degrees, then press enter. Now change 2D wireframe to realistic mode. Now it's time to draw a cap to this bottle for hygiene purpose. Now take line command L and give distance like 5 mm and then give distance like 3.2 mm. Now take arc command A to draw an arc. For upper side also draw a line with distance as 3.2 mm and take arc command A and specifying 3-point arc as shown on the screen. So you can use mirror command for line and arc because it's opposite sides now, that's why. So comparing these two arcs, bottom arc is not good. So for that I'm just rewriting the 3-point arc. Use object snap tracking mode to get a perfect measurements or shape. Now take line command L and draw a line. Make sure that object must be attached to both arcs, that is upper and lower arc. Delete this line. I will explain to you why I am deleting this line. Now combine these lines with the help of pedit command. Take offset command O with distance as 0.1 mm. Now close these lines with the help of line command L. Again take pedit command to combine these individual lines. Now take revolve command REV, select object, then press enter and then select axis starting point and ending point. then press enter and give 360 degrees for complete object. So if you observe this bottle cap, there is a depth in this cap. So if you are not deleting this line, then what happened is it won't have any depth in this cap object. Instead of that, we'll get a closed object, closed boundary area like that. So that's why I deleted that line. Now fix this cap on this bottle. For that, take move command M, select object first, then press enter. Specify a base point and place it in a correct position. So if you need one more bottle, you can simply copy this bottle to get one more bottle. For that, take copy command CP, select object and then press enter. Now specify a base point and place it. So now type MET mat to activate a material command. Then choose which material will suit this object and simply drag and drop on your object. This is a very simple bottle with a lesser design pattern. You can design a more than this or less than this. That's absolutely your wish and your need. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Practice it and share pictures of your drawing on Instagram. I will give a link in description box down. So if you all like this video along with my explanation, please do like, share and give feedback in comment section. Also subscribe to Techie Flash channel. I will see you all in my next one more interesting 3D object.